Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn the concept of types of event in probability. The first one is mutually exclusive event. So, mutually exclusive events are those events which cannot be occurred at the same time. So, the definition is two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive events if they cannot occur simultaneously. Now, for example, suppose A is an event that is getting an even number after rolling a die, and B is another event that represents getting an odd number after rolling a die. So, is it really possible to get both an even and an odd number after rolling a die? It is not possible, right? That means when we roll a die, so we can get for event A 2, 4, and 6. And for even B, we will get 1, 3, and 5. So there is no number which represent both the odd number and even number. So these two events cannot be occurred at the same time. So this type of events are known as mutually exclusive events. That means there will be no common portion between these two sets. If A denotes the set of even numbers and B denotes the set of odd numbers, then their intersection contain nothing, no events, no outcome. So that will be phi, a null set. So this is the case of mutually exclusive events. Next one is mutually exhaustive events. So mutually exhaustive events are a set of events among which at least one of them will surely occur. Now, let us consider the same example as the previous one. A denotes even number and B denotes odd number. So when we roll a die, the sample space contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after rolling a die, we will get any one number between 1 to 6, and that number will be either an even number or an odd number. So between these two events A and B, one event will surely occur. So these two events A and B is mutually mutually exhaustive events. Okay. So this is the concept of mutually exhaustive events. There is another kind of event that is impossible event. So impossible event is an event is said to be an impossible event if it cannot happen under any circumstances. That means the chances of occurrences of a particular event is zero. Then we can say that event is an impossible event. That means it cannot be occur, it cannot be happen. There is no chance to get that event, the outcome of that event. So that event is called impossible event. For example, if we say getting a number after tossing a coin, this is an impossible event because when we toss a coin, we will get either a head or a tail. We cannot get any number like the die. Or else there can be another event that is getting 10 after rolling a die. So the chances of happening any of these events A or B is 0. So both A and B are impossible events. And there is another event, that is sure event. Sure event is when an event will occur for sure or with probability 1, that event is called sure event. Okay, so let us denote the event A, that is getting a number between 1 to 6 after rolling a die. So when we roll a die, we will get any number between 1 to 6 with probability 1. So this is a sure event. Okay, so these are the types of event we need to know for solving different problems of probability. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.